Today, I'm going to show you how to hide unwanted message requests and comments on Instagram using your mobile device. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. Now select Privacy. Here you can see message stories and story replies, comments. Tap on it. Here you can choose whether you want to receive the message request or not. If you don't want to receive message request, you can tap on it and click on Don't Receive and click on Update Settings. Others on Instagram don't receive request. And on comments, go to comments. And here you can see who can comment on your stories. You can simply click on off to get comments. And this is how you can simply choose messages and comments to not be enabled on Instagram.